Some pups enjoying the water because they need a chance to cool off in this heat. Oh, look at how happy they are. Thanks to Alan Rickers for sharing these pics, and sort of shorter, tinier pups who are even closer to that hot ground need even more water, Sophia.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea, Justin. It looks really refreshing. The water looks beautiful. So I think you may want to follow suit, because in the next few days, we're going to be seeing some very hot temperatures. Hot today and increasing temperatures as we go into the next few days. And that's all going to be because a high pressure ridge is going to build in our area. And when we talk about the high pressure ridge building, you can see this shape right here. It's a little bit more of like a rounded hill, but as we go into the next few days, you can see it almost gets a little bit steeper if you think of it as a hill. So that's what we're talking about when we say the high pressure ridge building. And so as that happens, we're going to see warmer air from the desert southwest start to be circulated into our area. And so that's part of the reason why we're going to see such an increase in temperatures. So while that high pressure ridge is increasing our temperatures, it's also going to keep some wildfire smoke away from us, because those prevailing winds are going to kind of reroute that wildfire smoke from Oregon around our area and keeping it to the north, and also going to keep that Canadian wildfire smoke going towards the Midwest and the eastern U.S. And you can see that our radar right now is on the calmer side. We do have some monsoonal moisture that's staying a little bit to our south. However, that may change as we go a little bit into this afternoon, maybe seeing some possible thunderstorms or chance of showers towards the Twin Falls area. So south of there, I think we'll see the most activity, but Twin Falls still has a chance of seeing a stray shower or two, but more likely you'll probably see some lightning or hear some thunder off in the distance, but still a chance today to see a stray shower or a thunderstorm. And you may ask, well, how much precipitation do we typically get for Boise? Because Boise is expecting to stay on the drier side. Well, for the whole month of July, we normally get 0.21 inches of rain. Summertime's typically a dry time of year for us, but 0.21 inches is a little bit less than a healthy spring rain shower. So it's not too much rain that we typically get this time of year. So again, for the Magic Valley areas, we have that chance of a thunderstorm today, but I really think you'll see it more so in the distance, not really something that's directly going to impact you. But the Central Mountains are still a little bit closer to that moisture, so they'll see some of the cloud cover. And then as we go towards the West Central Mountains, we get a little bit farther from that moisture, so we're expecting more sunshine. And then as we go into Treasure Valley spots, that's where we start to see the triple-digit high temperatures expected for today. So today is expected to hit 100 degrees in Boise, almost a 40-degree swing from the lows in the 60s. And you can see that today we're in the low 60s for this morning, but as we go into the rest of this week, it's going to be on the upper end of the 60s and even low 70s. So it's a great morning to enjoy the brief cooler weather, because it's going to be hot and stay hot, Justin.
Boo, boo. Sophia, I know it's not your fault, but I got to blame someone. Thank you, I guess.